Hello, YouTube, interwebs, and whoever is watching this. Hopefully, this message gets out to Microsoft or some kind of, you know, IT guy that can fix this issue because this has pretty much converted me to Mac. So, yeah, I am officially through with Windows after this. So, I just want to show some folks what's going on, and there's been this Windows update that's been bricking a lot of people's computers. So I'm going to show you what's going on and see if anybody on the internet has some kind of solution on to fix this thing. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, there's a piano here. I do a lot of composing. Oh, there's my hymnal right there. I do a lot of music composition and stuff, and write sheet music and write music for orchestras and chorus. And this is my main workstation. So let's look at the desktop for a second. Here's my vitamin water. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so right here is the main baby. So I've got an Asus. Zoom in a little bit more. NVIDIA card. I'm not a, I don't play video games on my desktop. I've got a PlayStation 4 for that. Got a HDMI. Intel Core i7, and this is a pretty good desktop. Let's look over on the side, look at some more of these specs in depth. So right here, what we have is got an Intel Core i7 Intel Core i7 4790, DDR3 16 gigabyte RAM. Once again, you got the NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. I don't really use it that much because I'm not a PC gamer. Storage, we got a 2 terabyte storage. Got a Blu-ray disk drive, and of course for the network we've got integrated LAN and wireless Bluetooth for internet stuff. So it's a solid running PC, and I've never had any problems with it until this most recent Windows update, and it's just my computer won't even boot. So I'm just really frustrated. So let's turn this thing on and see what we come up with. So I'm gonna turn you on. Sorry if I'm running over my words, just really frustrated. So power on, and let's see what we come up with. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I've been going through this for the last day, and this is all I've been getting. So loads up, spinning, and I get to this screen, and this is all I get. Continue, exit to continue to roll back. Let's try that, see what happens. And me just thinking something's wrong with the PC. Oh, we'll just do a quick reboot and do a rollback and see what happens. And eventually I will get to same spot. And it's like this for every single option. So I tried to use a device. I looked online on my other laptop, which is right over here, also right here. This is where I also do my music composition. So this software that's right here, I have on this computer right here. I move faster on my desktop, one because I got the MIDI controller and my keyboard right here, and my QWERTY keyboard right here, and I can move a lot faster on my on my desktop than my laptop right up here. But this is the software that I use. It's if any music geeks out there know what this is. This is a software called Sibelius, and I do a lot of composing on here. This is one chart I wrote years ago. This is a piano quintet that I wrote, and this is most recent piece that I wrote. It was actually, I just loaded it up on YouTube. You can go check it out, and there's the title right there: Fantasia for flute and violin. Blah, 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 blah. But this is the software I use for my music composition stuff. But anyways, so I'm over here, and I'm trying to, create a Windows 10 successful boot. And, I go online and say, hey, just go ahead and download the creators tool, whatever. Windows 10, somebody saying, break PC. I go ahead and download the, where's my downloads? I download the media creation tool, I download this media creation tool right here and have that run for an hour and a half only to run into this. And it's just driving me to hot. It's nuts. So right now I can't get my computer to boot. I go to Windows to use their, media creation tool to create a copy of Windows 10 to boot off of the USB drive or even a CD drive, and I can't even do that. So right now, my desktop is pretty much brick now, and I've got no solution. So I don't know. Do I send it to Geek Squad? I don't know right now. So if any tech gurus out there, want to possibly take a stab at it, you can message me, go in the comments below if anybody sees this. But this is beyond frustrating. I do not understand why Windows has to have all of these updates, and then even within the updates, it bricks your computer. And I think I was talking to another guy online. I can't remember his name off the top of my head, but he was saying something about the Intel Core processors that when you do the update, there's some kind of bug and it just keeps going in this infinite loop right now. Literally have tried every single option. I can't even get to safe mode on my desktop. And this is a solid PC. I mean, I've had this thing for 2 years, zero problems until now. And I mean, this is just unacceptable. Quite frustrated. So if anybody has any solutions, if you can share this, send this to Microsoft and just kind of tell them, hey, this problem has yet to be fixed. I can't even get on the internet. I can't do anything, so I'm kind of a sitting duck right now. But, I am officially through with Microsoft. This is just unacceptable. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.